Now this is what it looks like all hooked up. The little Jeep back there. We're up to the Black Oak Casino RV Park. Just thought we'd drive through and see it. Got a little pond lake over there. You got like 120, I think it was 128 RV spots. Mostly cement with phony grass. Very, very clean. This is the clubhouse right here. And they got a heated black pool, I guess it's called. And a jacuzzi. Little shade things over there. Look at that. That is really cool. Look at that. Brand new. And the inside of this clubhouse is really, really beautiful. Thousand Trails needs to maybe look at this. Look at this place. Wow. Isn't this nice? Look. This is the casino clubhouse. You got like a little post office in there. Or not a post office, that's a big screen TV. Indian.
What do you mean? We paid for this copy 10 million times over.
And not we, you. The bathrooms over here. Look at the bathrooms. I might have to use that. And it goes right out to the pool over here. Look at this. Wow. Very nice. Not crowded at all, that's for sure. Let's see. Clean bathroom. This is the men's. Let's go check it out. Oops. Right into the door. Oh yeah, very clean. Their showers are that clean. This is a nice place. Alright, I'm back in the motorhome. And we're just taking a cruise through here. We were working on it today. But man, what a beautiful little park. Horseshoes.
Horseshoe pits and the bocce ball.
Oh, is that what that is?
I think that's what that is. Those little, and there's a lake out there also.
Yeah.
I'll be darned.
Well, fun. There's things for kids to do. You know, especially around the swimming pool.
They're still doing a lot of construction here, though. It looks like.
Yeah.
Considering they started a couple of years ago, you said, right?
Yeah, they said they were going to open in 2016, but
one thing about it, the spots are big.
Yeah.
For sure. Picnic tables and everything.
Yeah, you can see like pull right in, and it's got full hookups. Very nice.
Definitely.
I like it because it's clean and not dusty like gravel roads and stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Man, and then that one up there is these sites over down here cost more. They're a little bit bigger than the ones up there. Wow, really nice. Let's see if we can get out. I mean, no problem with a 40-foot motorhome, that's for sure.
Yeah, you designed it well.
Yeah. I think it was a well planned. That clubhouse was really nice.
It was, yeah.
Imagine sitting at nighttime in that swimming pool in the jacuzzi. That would be fun.
Or if you had a bunch of people, you can go in that room, play cards or whatever you want to do. Big tables, everything.
Yeah. To that, whatever that is. It's like an old pump of some sort, huh? I don't know what that is, but yeah, I like this. I would come up here in a heartbeat. Very nice. Good use of some pretty land. Okay, here we go. Now we're headed back down out of the casino area onto the back over to the storage.
That's a parking garage over there for cars. So
Yeah,
so park right down there behind it or something.
Yeah.
Motorhomes if you just want to go in for the day.
That arrow's only going this way, so
Yeah. Oh yeah.
you must have to go out on the main road. You know. That would be something to check out in a car, so, you know, to scope it out without taking the motorhome. She said you can get around easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this. All right, and there's the fueling station right there, a little service station. Easy to get a big rig in there. There's the hotel and the casinos over there. Look, that's where I got fuel last time, right here on the right there. Kind of pricey on the gas though, but what are you gonna do? There we are. Okay, I'm gonna end this right here. All right, we just got back from Jamestown. I dropped them. We towed the Jeep behind the motorhome just down to Oakdale and hooked up. And Linda's driving the Jeep, and I'm driving the motorhome back over to Modesto because I can't whip a U-turn on my street because it's a dead end. So anyway, I'm gonna head this motorhome to my house for the weekend, and Monday take it down and get the, I have a little fuel leak. I'm taking it to the shop to get it fixed, and then maybe have them do a safety check on it and make sure everything else is good. But we had a good time today. That restaurant, then the railroad, Jamestown railroad place there, and the little train ride. Anyway, my mother-in-law had a good time, and then tomorrow we'll head over to the Gids house for Mother's Day. But I'm really liking this motorhome so far. It's a little big, but just like anything, I'll get used to it. Whoop, big bump. Oh, there we are. Yeah, there we are. We're going to be taking this thing cross country. Might as well make sure it's in tip-top shape. That camera right there for watching the Jeep back there comes in really handy. See what's going on back there. The brake system that we hooked up last weekend on the Jeep. So whenever I hit the brakes in the coach here, it applies the brake in the Jeep. So it gives you a little bit of, you know, a little bit of braking power. And I think through some of the states require that. So at least I'm all legal now. But anyway, that's about all I have to say about that. Anyway, I'll cut this off here while I'm driving. I pulled up there to the house. I'm going to take it over on Monday to have a diesel leak down there fixed, because I don't know how to fix it myself. I don't know where it is. I can see it, but I can't fix it. So I'm going to take it in. And right now it's in shambles, the motorhome, because we're just starting to put our personal stuff in it now. So it's a lot of work in progress. We have paper on the floor to keep from tracking dirt in. I put a new screen on this. I don't know why they didn't think of it. Underneath the refrigerator you can see all the filters and stuff. So when you walk by you could actually see the filters. So I went ahead and re-screened it and everything. So that's all nice now. You don't have to see all that garbage under there. Like I said, we're just now getting to put all our personals in here. Nice big shower. Got to clean it all out and everything. I hadn't even tried it yet, you know, but I guess we'll be doing it pretty soon. There's another screen. I might re-screen that one too, so I can see under there. But anyway, that's a little of the slides slide out, so it's really tight in here right now. But anyway, this is coming along. I can't wait to get out on the road in this thing. I might change out those, like I said, that old VCR, I guess that's what that is. I don't even have no VCR tape, so I might take this out. That's a DVD player. I don't know. I don't know if it'll play Blu-ray. It might. I have to check all that stuff out and redo it maybe. The TV I think I'll just leave in for right now. I'd like to put a little bigger one in there, but for right now it's good enough. But anyway, not a lot to do in here. More stuff to do outside. I still got to learn all the electrical and plumbing and all this stuff right here. I have to learn all this. This is totally different than my other motorhome, so just trial and error and learn, I guess. These storage bays, oh my goodness. You talk about storage. Look at that. There's my barbecue pit. There we go. That pulls way out so you can get to stuff. I got another barbecue in there. I got those bins. I hadn't put nothing in them yet. Darn this thing. I'm sitting at an angle, so. But anyway, this bay has the same kind of roller. It goes out the other end all the way through. Plenty of storage on this thing. Way more room than I really need. But that's what we'll have to deal with for right now. Anyway, beautiful motorhome. Well, there she is. I just backed her in to my spot. So she's all fixed. The fuel leak is all done. So anyway, she's parked here for another week or two before we take off on our next trip. Or our first trip actually is going to be up to Yosemite. So there she is. Good spot right here. Good spot. All right, baby, we'll see you later. Go have breakfast. There's a car show going on down in Jamestown, and I think in Oakdale I might swing by on my way out of here. This is a really big warehouse. I really like parking my motorhome in here. I'm over here at Jamestown looking at this little car show. I'm gonna just pick a few that I like because my battery, I didn't check it and it's doing dead. Not gonna last long. Look at that Cobra right there. Beautiful dogs. Hi, pretty dog. They got the little music going over here. The old music. Wow. You gotta check this one out. Isn't that neat? That's a little rat ride. Huh. This is what I like. I can afford that one more than I can afford this one. That's pretty cool. Brewers can. That is pretty cool. There's that person hanging around up there again. Look at that. Some people would be offended by that. This little Cobra. Gotta love those Cobras. Oh, hi ma'am, I'm sorry to bother you. Okay, bye. Woo. Now I could fix that up and go cross country in that. I would. That'd be real simple right there. Oh wow, look at this. It should be over by the beach. Back over to my Jeep. Well, I just left Jamestown over there, a little car show that they were having. I dropped off the motorhome up at the storage up in Sonora. And what else? I had breakfast at my favorite place, Woods Cafe in Jamestown there. The fuel leak, I got that fixed. It took a couple of days because they had to order the parts. $1,150 later, it's fixed. So that's, I'm assuming that was from sitting for a couple of years, but who knows? It's also that's a 2004. The fuel that we're using ate up the seals. That's what he told me anyway. So they put a new injection pump on it, new seals, a couple of new hoses. Air conditioner was not getting cold on the dash, so he recharged that for me. Now it's getting cold. Plus he showed me how to run the 2 air conditioners on the roof. I didn't know how. Apparently it runs from one local system, like a watering sprinkler type system, zone 1, zone 2, and my other motorhome just turned it on and off. So this one's a little different. So he taught me that. I think that was worth $1,100 if you didn't have an air. But so next week, I think at the end of the month, I'm not sure what day it is, 30th or 31st, we're going to be taking it on our first actual camp trip up to Thousand Trails at Yosemite Lakes for a friend's wedding. So that'll be our first outing in the motorhome. So I cannot wait to try it out. I have no idea if it's going to work good or not. But that's going to be the only time, you know, until we leave off toward Oregon in June. So hopefully if anything's wrong with it, I'll find out then. One thing I did realize, in that big old glass in the front windshield on my other motorhome, I tinted them. And I think I'm going to tint the window down further, because the tint that they have on it, all it covers is the TV area. But the sun was just bailing down on me. I think I'm going to drop it down about 16, 17 inches, maybe 18. And that'll block that sun from blinding you, you know. So in those motorhomes, those glass is so huge. And on my other motorhome, I had all the windows tinted with limousine tint. I'm almost tempted to do it to this one because it kept it a lot cooler. I could feel the heat coming in on all these big windows, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do on that. I'm almost pretty positive I'm going to go ahead and have them tinted before we leave cross country anyway. But anyway, I'm just going to head on down this road here. And it's a beautiful drive down through here, back to Oakdale, then back through Modesto. Just a pretty ride. I don't like to rush. I hope I don't get sidetracked again, because I have a lot to do at home today. Anyway, thank you. Bye.